Good morning. We've got frost on the windows. I think it's melting. I'm about to head out to the farm again today. Going to get some coffee first. It's peppermint mocha season at Starbucks again. Good morning from the farm. I borrowed my husband's headphones today so I could listen to music and block out some of the sound. Dad is so silly. He's supposed to be resting, but he's out here like, let's get another load going. Yes, Dad, I'm on it. I just got here. It's 9:30 in the morning. I think he's anxious because it's supposed to rain the next few days. So we're trying to get as many loads done as we possibly can today. Maybe tomorrow. I feel like it rains in the morning tomorrow. And then the afternoon is no rain. So we'll see how it goes. So here we go with another load. Whoa. Sitting outside enjoying the beauty, waiting for another wagon of corn to come back from the field for me so I can start the drying process. I have now been nicknamed the dryer queen. Since I have the whole process kind of down now, I'm the one in charge of the dryer, which is fine with me. I do like running the combine. That's kind of a fun challenge, but right now it's just more efficient to have them out there in the field filling up the wagons and bringing them back, and then me running the dryer system and keeping it moving and keeping the truck filled so they can keep taking more to the mill. We have some rain coming tomorrow, and then I think it's supposed to rain and then snow, the S word, into Sunday morning. So we're going to try to get as much done as we can before the weather turns a little bit. Okay, Dad just had to run over to the farm. Rick called and said something was going on with the combine. They just got back and they said it's an issue with the chain, but it's a pretty easy fix. So that's good. We're going to head over there and fix it. And they said there's another wagon of corn on its way to me. So waiting for that. It's the blue wagon. Now that the dryer is drying, I am going to take a walk back the lane. It ends up being about 10 minutes there and back, so I do this a couple times just to pass the time till I have to flip the switch to the cooling cycle. Yeah, that one's empty now, so Rick's gonna take it out. Then we have another wagon that has corn in it. No! That thing is dangerous! A little bit more. Oh, you got it. Woo! It started to move. This thing, is it gonna spill on the ground? Move it a little bit. Oh dear. Okay. That's perfect. I just was like, there was like a big gap. Okay, I'm gonna turn this on. Okay, it's very quiet now. The load is done. And I have to take a sample to Dad so he can test the dryness. That's how he decides how long we're going to dry the next load for. Okay, we can't do anything right now. The battery to the motor that runs the auger that gets the corn from that wagon to that wagon, the battery's dead. It wasn't even given any kind of power or charge or anything to it. No sparks. It doesn't have great wiring and such. Usually I have to touch a wrench to 2 different screws to get it to turn on. They're gonna fix that, but for now, that's what we have to do, but it would not spark. Usually it sparks a little and then it kicks on. Didn't spark. Trying to figure that out, but in the meantime, it's nice and quiet over here in the dryer area. The load is in the truck and I can't do anything until I get more corn in that wagon over there because it only has half, which is not enough to fill that up. Boop. We have to wait on the battery.
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Yikes.
Okay. Sorry, I didn't even see it. Thought you had it down on the ground there.
You got it.
I'll try your switch.
Oh.
This here's stuff connected. When it sparks, it means it's lost its connection. Wiggle it around a little, dig it in.
Ooh.
This just isn't good. I don't want to spin. Getting into the lead. Try it again.
Don't. Oh, ooh.
Keep going.
Ooh. Dad got it running. Now we're loading more corn into there. And here we go with the next. Got to make sure this is on black, which is dryer cycle. And then here we go. Well, it's a long day. Gonna be here till after dark. After I get this one finished drying and put in the truck, I've got one more load left to do before I go home. So we get to have sunset time tonight. He's staring at me. Get out of there! Where are you going? I see you. Hey! I don't know where it went. Okay, I did a boo-boo. Usually you let this automatically shut off when it's in the cooling process. That little green light is lit up when it's cooling, and it was lit up. And for some reason, I looked at it and I thought, oh no, I forgot to turn off the run, like running. Well, you wait till it turns off automatically and then you just turn it to the off switch. But for some reason, I've had a long day, I guess. So my bad. Dad had me open up the door and just check, like feel it and see if it felt hot still, which it didn't. It felt cool. So it's pretty cool outside. So the temperature on the side still shows, well, it's a little less than 100. It's supposed to be around 70. I'm supposed to let it cool that much. If I touch the side of this, it still feels a little bit warm. We're gonna let it sit and cool a little more and then put it in the truck. Oops. I won't make that mistake again. I don't know what I was thinking, but I mean, mistakes happen. So at least I didn't stop it in the middle of the drying process. That would have been crazy. I don't know how that would have been fixed. Silly me. Okay, taking another sample into the house. Mom's got her cute little lights up. She always has them on. It looks so nice. Hey, this is my first time doing stuff here at the farm at night. Okay, a little nighttime farming. Got to go turn the dryer on to cooling. Ooh, that's very bright. There we go. All right. All animals, go away. I just have to come out here and turn the switch to cooling. Now I just have to come back in 30 minutes when it turns off and run it into the wagon. I'm gonna run into a tree, I think. All right. I can see pretty good out here. Okay. All right, I gotta put this down here. Dump. Okay. Now, I gotta turn the tractor on. Oops, I need the light for that. Here we go. Tractor on. Where is it? Okay. This goes off. This goes on. This one gets flipped back to that. Oh, there it is. You can see it right there. Here's the corn. Oh yeah, that's cool. Oh, you can see it really good. Way up there, you can see it coming out. Oh, that's so weird. You can see it better through the dark. Oh, it's probably down to there now. It's like got down to there. You can see it through. It's coming down from over here. That's cool. Okay, I'm gonna do a sample. Done. It's right there. Like right there. That's so fun. It's almost done. It's almost to the bottom. I think it's okay. I think it would have been fine. Because right there. I think it was almost done. There you go. Okay, it's empty. Truck is loaded. Okay. And then it was 14.4. I think it was 14.4 dryness on the last one. Everything's off. That's back to that. And there he goes. He's putting it in the barn. Okay, I gotta turn this gas off. Okay, gas is off. Yay! Yeah. Good night, nighttime farming. Maybe we're a fun experience. Ooh. Good night, dryer. We'll see you again soon. Thanks for spending another day on the farm with me. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next update of our corn harvest. Happy farming!